Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Wednesday, December 18th, 2024. It's early in the morning, around 5:30 Eastern. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and this YouTube channel. I want to get everyone caught up with what our newsletter subscribers have received. Let's get, I want to show you guys the auto trade triggers and targets here. It's doing quite well. You can get there from our website. There's the landing page. We have a couple different, we have the regular E-minis and the micro E-minis that we're trading. And soon we'll have 3 months of doing it and we can get ranked in the top 10, but we need at least 3 months. You can see here, where's these, there's the daily results, by the way. I didn't make any trades yesterday, so there's nothing for the 17th, although I did make a couple this morning. Tell you about those in a minute. And here is the that's the same. And okay, anyway, systems, and then we get system ranking there. There's where they are, and we can get into the top 10 once we're 3 months or 90 days. It's relatively new. We don't have 90 days in yet, but we look forward to that day. Okay, let's go to where is that here? Let's get back into the US 10-year. Since the Fed is making an announcement today, we expect them to continue what they've been doing for their entire lifespan, and that's follow the Treasury market. They don't lead anything, they just follow. You can look at the 2-year, but we've got the 10-year up here, and let's make this bigger. There we go, and let me move that up. There. Okay. So we had a wave 1 up here. Let me scrunch it down a little bit. There we go. From this wave 2 of a larger degree of trend, a 1 up with a circle, a 2 down. And now we're in 3 with a circle up. Within wave 3, we've got 1 with a parentheses up, 2 down. There's our wave 2 targets. Our low so far is between the 382 and the 500. It still can go lower. However, once it moves above this 4.505% wave 1 high, that verifies we're in wave 3 up, and it'll be quite a move up. So we anticipate as soon as this wave 2 is over or confirmed to complete, wave 3 up will be in play. Interest rates will go higher and the Fed will start raising to follow the market, as they always do. As we always ask ourselves when we're doing a chart or when we're making a trade, where is this wrong? Well, wave 2 here cannot go below the start of wave 1, which is 3.599%. So we're looking at this here. This could be A down, B up, and then a C. You see we have lower targets. And unless until we get above the wave 1 high, we're still in wave 2. So it's always math. We're always looking for a confirmation. We're always looking for where we wrong. Where we wrong goes below this 3.599%. Where are we proven right? When it goes above this 4.505%. So that's what's going on in interest rates, and the Fed keeps following. Okay, let's get out of that and let's go to the E-minis, and we flipped over to the March contract this week as the DECE contract expires. And this is interesting stuff going on. And by the way, I'll just cut to the chase. I'll tell you later. This is later. There's that wave 4 bottom. So we got long last night and again this morning. According to Elliott, RN Elliott, when you get a 4th wave triangle, the market should thrust, quote unquote, thrust higher, in this case, out of the triangle into a 5th wave high. So this this 5th wave should go above the 3rd wave high here, which is the all-time high back in December the 6th, which was a direct hit in terms of time. But first it needs to cross, obviously, this wave D high in purple and this wave B high here in purple. Then it'll cross that wave 3 high and go to new all-time highs in wave 5. We have a lot of direct hits. This wave 3 low here, we came within a 1.25. This wave 4 high, we came within excuse me, half a point. This wave low here, 1.75 points. This one within a 1/4 point. This one was a direct hit on our trend line. We can show you how we played that out. Yes, how we proposed it yesterday and it played out today. Okay, so that's the current one there. I want to get into the report yesterday. That's when we moved to the March contract. Okay, there's our systems there. There's the link. You can see the daily results, which I showed you. We had none for yesterday, but we will after the close today. Okay, we've got the regular E-minis and the micro E-minis, and we started with the micros. Wanted to start slow because they're 1/10 of the regular E-minis, but there were so many people clamoring for the regular E-minis. They wanted to make more money. Instead of $5 a contract, it's $50, so we have that also. That's only a month or two, not even a month old, I think. Okay, but here's the, we switched to the March contract, so all these numbers are different from the D's contract. You can see, I wanted to show you guys the black wave count, which has a 1 down, and then a 2 up over here, and then 3 down targets here. Okay, again, where is the purple wave count wrong? If we get below the 6107, that eliminates the purple wave count, calling for a wave 5 higher to thrust out of the triangle. And where is it confirmed? The purple wave count is confirmed first with a move above this high on 1216, then this high on 1211, then this high on 12.7. Okay, there's our downside target. So we're ready for anything up or down. It sure is favoring the up right now. Okay, we switched to the March contract. There's a direct hit on our time spiral, and this just shows all that stuff. But we were looking for a move down to this wave E low triangle. A down, B up in purple, C down, D up, trend line, upper trend line, lower trend line. Okay, that was on the 17th, and then if we get to the one we just put out earlier this morning, very early, around 4 a.m. I guess, but I wake up early a lot. Okay, anyway, here is yesterday's chart. As you can see, we just showed you, looking for a move down there. Here is today's chart. Bang, got it. Bang, reaction up. Okay, again, all the direct hits, you know, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 direct hits on our targets just from December 6th to today, December 18th. That's 12 days. We've got direct hits up and down and all over the chart. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there. There's the wave E and wave 4 low. Okay, and March contract, there's the Fibonacci time spiral, there's the verbiage on all that. Okay, and let's see if there's anything, yeah, pulling out of the, here's what we need for a change of trend. We've been looking at this since last October's low. We need to see these 5 things. In the black wave count, we have 1 and 2. We don't have, excuse me, number 3 yet. And in the past, over the last 14 months, we've seen these steps achieved through number 4, but never number 5. This has kept us on the right side of the market for a year and 2 months. And like we say, unless and until these steps above for a sign of change in trend are met, the larger degree trend remains up. Okay, there was our upside trigger for our subscribers. We are now long for the day traders and scalpers who really like the monthly subscription, because I put out at least 1 report a day, sometimes more, to catch the smaller internal waves. That's a smaller internal wave from that low that was just registered at the open at 6 p.m. Eastern yesterday. Okay, there's short term long against that low, intermediate and long term, long. Okay, so that's where we are with that. And let me get back to our charts. Okay, let's see here. There's our charts. Okay, so there's that wave E low, and these are live. You can see that thrust out. Let's look at the 1 minute. There we are. Okay, that's that wave E low right there, and the 4th wave at a higher degree of trend. There's 1 down, 2 up. There's 3 up. There's 4. 5 equals 1 at 61.47. They're sitting at 61.42, and this low here was 61.13. I think it was 50. Okay, so that's where we are. So we're going to see how this thrusts out. I want to get back to this bigger picture here. because this shows it much better. Make it a full screen. Okay, so if the purple wave count is correct, we'll see a move above this D wave high, then above this B wave high, then ultimately above this wave 3 high to new all-time highs in wave 5 up. And it's wrong when it moves, if it moves below 6107. Then the black wave count comes in. Okay, that's it for today. You guys have a nice Fed day, and until next time, take care, everyone.